morning, everyone, and welcome back to another week. Well, last week we finished our last letter of the alphabet. We went all the way from A in the beginning of the school year, and we got all the way to Z. We were working very hard to get there, and we finally got there. But we still have some weeks of school left. And I thought it would be fun if we would review one letter every day. So today's letter is the letter what? You know that letter, right? It's the letter A. Now look at that big letter and that little letter. Do they look the same? Some big letters look like they're little letter partners, but big A and little a don't really look the same, do they? No. Well, if you practice writing the A's, I hope you remember that all of our letters are made up of lines and curves and circles. So let's see what big A is made out of, okay? I see big A is made of lines like this. All straight lines. So let me try to make one. We start at the top. We make a slanted line down. Go back to the top. Another slanted line down. Kind of looks like I'm going to make a triangle, but I'm not. Or it kind of looks like a mountain too. I'm going to put a straight line right across the middle. Okay, there's my big letter A, all straight lines. Now little a does not have straight lines, does it? Well, I see one straight line, but this is sort of a circle. So let's see if I can make a little a using a circle and a straight line. So I'm going to make a circle. How's that circle? Does it look like the number 0? A little bit. And then straight down like that. How's my little a? So I hope you're practicing your letters and you can practice the letter A today. And if you do practice writing it, can you send me a picture so I can see? Thanks. I was looking at the names in our class, and this classmate starts with the letter A. Do you see her big A right there? She's got a big A and she has 2 little A's. Do you know whose name that is? That's Adriana. That's right. A is for Adriana. That makes me think of the Cookie Monster song. You know how Cookie Monster sings, C is for cookie, that's good enough for me? Well, I want to sing Adriana's name, okay? A is for Adriana, that's good enough for me. A is for Adriana, that's good enough for me. A is for Adriana, that's good enough for me. Oh, Adriana, Adriana, Adriana starts with A. How did you like that song? Maybe you could practice singing it with your name and your first letter. So there's Adriana's name and our letter A that we're going to practice. Oh, and we're going to sing a song about this little guy. You know what kind of bug he is? He's an insect. We're going to learn about insects this week. And this little insect is an ant. An ant begins with the letter A. So we have a lot of fun things this week. Insects and letters and numbers and counting. Oh my goodness, we have a science experiment and maybe a recipe and some crafts and some things to do outside. I am already exhausted. Should I go take a nap? Not yet. I have more to do. So I hope you practice your A's today and look for A's all around you and things that start with A. Oh, wait a minute. I see something that starts with A. What's that? Apple. I think I have a nice apple recipe for you on Friday. But while I'm thinking about more to tell you, I'm going to take a bite of my apple. Should I do it? That's a good apple. Okay, I'll see you soon.